This is Mr. Bryant, and this is week 2 of How High School Works. Academic awards. Western Dubuque has several academic awards I'd like to talk to you about. The first one is a yearly academic award, and your criteria for that is you must have a 3.0 grade point average with no grade below a C. It mentions up here on this slide that it's given to you in the fall of each year. We actually stopped giving them out in the fall. You still are being recognized. It'll be posted, but we keep these awards for you until the spring of your senior year at graduation practice, and then we'll have them in an envelope for you on your seat that day. The first year you accomplish this, you can win this academic patch. The second year is an academic pin, and then which is a star, and the third year it's a star again. And if you do it all 4 years, then you actually win a academic medal. So pretty nice awards. They are given to you at the very end, so in graduation practice. We also have honor roll. The high honor roll runs from 3.3 to 4.0 GPA each trimester. And we have a regular honor roll that's 3.0 to 3.299 each trimester. So try to get on that honor roll. It's a nice goal to have. Senior Scholar is the highest honor a student can receive at Western Dubuque High School based on academics. You can see the criteria here on this slide. You must have a 3.75 GPA, a college readiness score on each ACT test, and you must also be a Silver Cord recipient. The Silver Cord is a community service award, also one of the other highest awards you can get at Western Dubuque High School. It's 120 hours of community service while you're in high school, and the students are responsible for entering their own hours on the school website. Under the Students tab, there's a drop-down menu that says Silver Cord hours, so you can put in your own hours to get approved. Attendance is very critical for your success at school. Trimesters move really fast. You are completing a half a year of education in 60 days, so you don't want to fall behind. Come to school as often as you can. The main office staff will determine if it's an excused or unexcused absent. And if you happen to have 7 unexcused absences, you can actually lose credit in your classes. So come to school when you're supposed to and be in class when you're supposed to. Standardized tests at Western Dubuque High School. We do 2 of them, and they are reported to the state. We look because we want to see what your growth is from year to year to make sure that we're teaching you the right things and we got things handled on the curriculum side of things. We also want to see your improvement. We want you to improve while you're here. The ACT practice test is one of our tests, and the other one is called ISASP, which is an online test. It is really important that you try your best. If you don't try your best, you could end up being not proficient and end up being in an enrichment class to work on your skills. And that would take the place of an elective that you probably would want to take or select. If you've tried your best and you still are in an enrichment class, don't worry. It's fine. It's one semester of skills work where we can have an opportunity to help you do better on the test the next time. Transcripts. The transcript is a permanent record that has your courses taken, your final grades, GPA, class rank, your scores from testing, attendance, and your graduation date. It begins the very first day of freshman year and it ends at the last day of your senior year. There really isn't a lot on it at this time for first year students. Once you've completed a trimester of courses, then those courses and grades get placed on there and your attendance for the trimester gets placed on there. So then we're off and rolling with your transcript. Like I said, these are permanent, which means we keep them forever. And it is not uncommon. You must have a transcript sent to any college you want to attend. Often, even workplaces ask for a copy of your transcript. They want to know if you tried your best and you came to school. Teachers, you may pass out the transcript worksheet because the last thing we're going to do is an activity with this transcript so you can know where things are placed on the transcript. You can go ahead and pause the video on this page of the slideshow, and students can work in a pair, so have them pair up. They can take their transcript worksheet and answer these 5 questions. Teachers, you do have an answer key that was provided as well. So go over that with your students, and then you are completed for today. Thank you for your time.